Shemai, it's week 3 of the balance challenge. So we're gradually making things a little bit more challenging. So the main thing to remember is though, you can always use your support still, so stay safe. Keep that really nice strong trunk, and if you feel something is too challenging and you don't feel safe, just maybe swap it for something that you do know you can do comfortably. So let's start. Day 15, this is revisiting something we've done before. So I've got my support here. I'm going to hold on with both hands. So I'm going to stand tall and I'm going to raise my heels. I'm going to come up onto tiptoe. I might challenge my balance once I'm here. I might carry on just using that support. I'm going to pause. I'm going to do that again. So I'm standing tall. I'm going to lift my heels up onto tiptoe. I'm feeling secure, so I'm going to see if I can take one hand away. Good. And if I want to really challenge myself, I might take a couple of fingers off with this hand, but the index finger is always the last finger to go. So I'm going to leave that index finger there because I'm wobbling a bit. And of course the next stage would be to take both hands away. So that is day 15. Day 16. It's the Y-based sway again. So I'm feeling confident about doing it without my chair now. So I'm going to take my feet just a little bit wider than normal, and then I'm going to soften my knees. I'm going to take my weight into this leg. I'm going to take my weight into this leg. Now, what we can do is add this bit of arm movement to make it more challenging, this transfer of weight on our balance. You can make the movements bigger, okay, but make sure you feel secure. Notice where my head is. It's staying right between my feet, so I'm not leaning. We're keeping that long spine. Good. And we'll just move those feet, bring you back to that start position. There we go. So, day 17. This is all about being able to reach. So I'm going to use my support here. Now, I am going to think about just reaching up to that top shelf of my kitchen cupboard, bringing something down. I'm going to do the same with this arm, but I'm going to hold onto the wall so you can see from a different angle. We're going to reach up, pick something off that top shelf. Now, to increase this challenge, what we might do is reach and just to really get to the top of that shelf, come up onto tiptoes, bring it down. Let's try it from this angle. So we're going to reach, come up onto tiptoes. I've still got my support, mind you, just in case. And then we'll just move those feet. Diane. So day 18 is a rest. Day 19 is our clock face challenge again. So I like to turn around to do this one for you. So what we're going to do is we've got that support there or there if we need it. We're not going to be leaning into our support, so we want to stand fairly close to it. I'm going to step forward to 12 o'clock on my clock face and back to the centre. I'm going to step out to 3 and back to centre. I'm going to step to 6 and back to centre. So without support, we want to be nice and dynamic. Good. Nice strong core. Brilliant. And to 6. Now if you want to put that heel down, just turn that foot out a little bit and back. Good. That was that one. So finally we have got day 20. We are going to use support and we're going to see if we can stand on one leg and move our arm. All right, so this time we're going to move the same arm, same leg. So I'm going to use one hand for my support, but I could use 2 if I felt more comfortable. Now it doesn't matter where you put this leg when you lift it, so it could go behind you or in front of you, and then we're going to raise this arm at the same time. Okay, so I'm going to bring this arm down, bring this leg up. So if I wanted to do it slightly differently, I'm going to hold onto the wall, I'm going to take this leg behind me, I'm going to move this arm. So we're keeping that trunk really nice and still and down. Okay, so we're just lifting same arm, same leg. Diane Pav, that was brilliant. I'll see you on week 4.